Most people scroll past typography videos, but this exact effect is what makes posts stop getting skipped. Hey, welcome to the first part of the Canva tutorial. So, in this video, we're going to make this type of trending typography image in Canva. So first, open a new frame and upload your image. Now, adjust it properly inside the frame, just like this, and download it in PNG. Now, we'll delete the image and add text. So, let's write messy. Duplicate it and place it inside the frame like this. Then, duplicate it once again to fill the frame properly. And now, download this also in PNG. Now, add both the images we just downloaded. Then, go to Apps, search for Image Blend, and open the app. So now, select the text image and click on Use it as the top layer. Then, select the messy image and click on Use it as the bottom layer. Now, go to Blend Mode and choose Screen. Then, click on Add to Design. And now, here's the result. We just created a viral text and image effect in under 2 minutes. So, if you want a full poster designing Canva course, like the video and press the subscribe button and comment what should be the topic of next video.